Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the schelich 2016 barn. I'm so excited to open it up with you guys, and I'm just going to quickly take this out of the package and I'll be right back. Here it is, guys, out of the package. This box is huge. It just has some wrapping paper stuff on it, which is okay, but I'm so excited to open this up, so I'm just gonna quickly take the tape off and I'll be right back. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, this is amazing. Everything is well packaged. It looks like it's in great condition with the bubble wrap. So the first thing that they put in here, I'll go through everything, is this little schelich magazine. It has the schelich jungle set, the dinosaur set, and the farm set on there. And then on the other side is the fairy set and the horse club set and the monster set, I guess. So it just comes with a cool little magazine with all the schelichs you can buy, some other schelich sets, some briars. Is that briar? Yeah, I think that's like briar stablemates. I don't know what they're called. I don't collect them. Just a bunch of monsters, more schelich, Smurfs. And on the other side is just the farm world, like the farm, dinosaurs, jungles, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to keep that. And then I believe on this side, this is the accessories. So it comes with a hay bale and a straw bale, a horse. I think this is the 2016 North American Mustang. And then the foal, I believe this is a filly. And then we have a rider. And then on the other side, we have a little bag of tack, a blanket and halter, a crate with apples, carrots, and a pitchfork, and some flowers. So you guys are going to get to see everything when it's unwrapped, but I just thought I'd show you guys taking it out and all the details. Under here is like the roof and everything else, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out and we can start assembling. Okay, so here's everything. It's a lot, as you can see. I kind of stacked everything, so I'm just gonna do some time This is the finished product. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a bit of a mess in here. I'm filming in my mom's room. Just there. And then I have my friend on FaceTime. Go follow her channel, River Run Stables. So yeah. So I'll give you guys a quick tour, and then I'm gonna go set it up in my room, and I'll show you what it looks like with everything else. So I just have the horses. I'm naming the mare Dixie and the foal Penny. And then it comes with a pitchfork, apples, carrots, hay bale, straw bale, some paddocks. And then if we take this off, it just comes with saddle and bridle and 4 stalls. So I am going to throw this in my room and set up my new barn. And I will see you guys once I do that. Bye.